Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to return an item on AliExpress. Stick around till the end to learn the step by step process and tips to make your return hassle free. So let's get started. So, first things first, open the AliExpress app or you can go to the website on your browser and then log into your account if you have not already. Next, click on account in the bottom right corner and you will land on screen like this. And then click on view all to see the list of items that you have purchased and scroll through your order list and locate the item that you wish to return. And once you find that item, click on it to open the order details and look for the option labeled as return and refund or open dispute and click on it. Then select the reason for your return from the list provided and make sure to be specific about why you are requesting the return. If required, upload photo or video of the item to support your claim. This is particularly important if the item is defective or not as described. And after filling out all the necessary details, click on submit or send request. And then AliExpress will review your request and respond within a few days. Once approved, they will provide the return shipping address or other instructions. Then pack the item securely and ship it to the address provided by the seller. Be sure to keep the tracking number as a proof of return. Once the seller receives and approves the return item, you will get a notification about your refund. Refunds are usually processed back to your original payment method. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.